Are you still hesitating to take advantage of a business intelligence tool? Are you not sure what the value would be relative to the cost? Let us show you how SRK can help. SRK is 100% cloud-based, which means you don't need to download any software or buy extra hardware. We manage the platform for you and handle all of the maintenance. Simply go to our website and use your account and password to log in. SRK helps executives like you to gain a better understanding of your sales performance and its impact. Focus on data-driven decision-making that will benefit your business and create more opportunities. On the custom dashboard, key data about sales, orders, products, and customers can quickly be combined for better visibility into your operations. The chart on the top left lets you see how your sales department is performing each month versus your forecast. The chart on the top right shows the percentage of the order that you're able to fulfill in the first shipment. Let's assume a fill rate should exceed 85% to keep customers happy. Now we can take a look at each branch's performance and compare them to each other. Identify which branch is performing the best and expand its strategy to other branches to help you grow your business. Understand which product lines are underperforming as well. For example, WR and FP both performed poorly during the current month, as well as over the year. Being able to see both charts allows us to see whether it's just a slow month or it's been a problem longer. Also, you can apply the filter feature on these charts to see the results of a specific branch. Here, let's see how CA, or California, performed. Here, SRK is able to identify the top 10 customers based on sales and show how much they are spending versus last year. While the chart above gives us a quick idea of how we're doing with our top customers, the table below it shows all the detailed numbers you need. The function of displaying negative numbers as red allows you to find the sales variances immediately. Finally, this table gives us a quick understanding of areas we need to improve. What are our top 5 declining products, and who are the top 5 declining customers? From here, we can begin to develop strategies to fix the issues or possibly even discontinue selling products that may no longer be in demand. SRK's custom dashboards help executives uncover business insights and manage their departments easier and better. Give us a call today to schedule a quick, in-depth demonstration of SRK. Thank you.